Hello, I'm Jeff Francisco with the Da Vinci Group. I'm here at ISE 2019, and we have a number of new products. One of the most exciting is the Vanguard Dynamics VAIL Amp. What the VAIL Amp does is it provides a convenient and easy way to leverage all the powers of the Amazon Alexa system, primarily through the Echo Dot. We have a dock that holds a second generation or third generation Amazon Echo Dot. What's done is you take the Echo Dot and we provide a simple way to connect the power and an audio output to it. You dock it into the in-wall dock, you put the attractive faceplate over the top of it, and now you have an Echo Dot mounted in the wall. And what we do with that is quite exciting. When it's docked, the Dot actually provides power to 2 or 4 loudspeakers. It's 2 by 30, so a total of 60 watts to the loudspeakers. So you get good sound from the audio output of the dock. The other thing we do is we provide, of course, power to this dock, and we have an accessory output that then does a couple more interesting things. Those connections are convenient and easy to hook up, because what we do is we direct those to a wall plate. That wall plate provides a secondary audio input, so you can connect a television, a gaming system, anything of your choice. It also provides a subwoofer output, so besides running the 2 or 4 speakers we have with the system, you can power a subwoofer in the room. In addition, it has an easy and convenient way to connect the power supply. So you plug in the power supply. So very simple, everything's included except the Amazon Echo Dot. It's the dock itself, all the cabling, the wiring, the wall plate. In a very short period of time, you can leverage all the wonderful streaming audio and control solutions from the Amazon Echo Dot. And you can do it anywhere you need it. This breaks the normal way that a distributed audio system is done, and that you just place them wherever you need that audio, and it becomes locally powered, and it becomes a local speaker wire to your loudspeakers. Once again, this is the Vanguard Dynamics VAIL Amp and the Vanguard Dynamics VAIL Amp 3 for Amazon Echo Dot.